What's going on, everyone? This is Crypto Coleman. And guys, yesterday I was making a video and I was like on my way of doing it, but there was I was gonna do it on this platform that just came on. Well, it's coming on Matic. It's not on Matic yet. It's still on Ethereum, but basically and I think it's in beta mode too. It's called personal token. So I was making the video, and then 'cause I was making my own token, cause I wanted it to do like Crypto Coleman, but you have to do like your personal name. I guess that's why it's called personal token. But anyway, when I go to do the transaction, like it costs for the lowest speed it was $77. For the highest speed it was $106. So I was like, no, I don't want to pay, $106 for that. I mean, I don't think it's worth it. It's not like I'm making like a real trade, or it's not, you know what I mean? Like I'm not making a real move. I'm just showing an example. So just for that one example, it costs that much. But for that, but when they go on Matic, it's gonna cost way way less than that. So that's something to look at. So that's a segue into what I'm talking about today, which is Matic Network. They have 70 plus Dapps on their network right now, and they have Dapps that are moving to their network, and also Vitalik, he made a comment about a Dapp that's on Matic Network, and this is important because coming into the next year, we're in the bull run. Market's going up, and well, yeah, Ethereum making big moves and all this stuff like that. You need to imagine the gas cost. I mean, it's high right now, and it was high during when DeFi was on the up and up on Ethereum. Just imagine what it's going to be like next year. It's going to be, for the average person, what are they going to do? Like they're going to be like, well, if I can't really make trades on Uniswap or Balancer or whatever because it's too expensive, right? And only people who have more money are going to be able to do that. It's going to make sense for them to do that, but anybody else is not. So what are you going to do? Like you're going to have to go somewhere else. But if you still want to have, be connected with Ethereum and stuff like that, well, you're going to have to get with chains that are going to be able to provide that for you. So Matic is obviously, to me, like the best candidate for that, because and they also with Binance Chain too, they can take assets from Binance Chain, and put them over there too, because they're it's all similar. It's all on MetaMask. And they're integrated with Binance Chain too. So that's why they're able to do that. And yeah, and because they're all on MetaMask. So yes, yeah, Matic is that key thing. I think Matic is like the best sleeper. Now I know like I am in the Harmony, but I believe like Matic, because it was designed to scale Ethereum, that it's in the right position to do that. And I'm just wondering why Coinbase hasn't listed it yet. I don't understand that. You have Loom Network, but you don't have Matic. So I don't get that. It doesn't make any sense to me. But so yeah, that like I said, so I'm just gonna show you two. I'm gonna show you two Dapps that are moving on to uh moving on to Matic. Actually, I was gonna show you three of them, but I forgot why I didn't want to show the other one. But the other one was moving over from Tron too, and I think it's called Just Bet. But I'm not gonna talk about that one. I'm gonna talk about one from Petitions Market, and I'm gonna talk about one that involves like horse racing and stuff like that. But this is like digital horse racing. So I'm gonna run through those, and yeah, and also I'm gonna go through what Vitalik said if I didn't already say that. So guys, with that being said, let's begin. All right, guys. So just take a quick look. Like if you go to the Matic website and they show like the Dapps, it doesn't really give Matic any justice. Like on their own website, I think they should show all these things. I think they should, if they haven't already done it, they need to put all these Dapps on there or whatever, to give it, I guess, update the website to look, because if you just go to it, you won't be able to see all this. You have to go to the Telegram and to the announcements Telegram, which and I know this is scrolls kind of fast, but let me do it like this. And if you go, like, they're constantly doing updates, and they're constantly showing, and these are not all, like, they're not showing all the same dApps. This is not the same dApps every time I scroll up. Like, all this changes, and of course they got they got validators that are really pushing for it, and if you look carefully, you can see you can see that I see they got Chainlink, Teller, Dyer, yeah, Unity. So there's a lot going on Matic. You know, this would, to me, Matic would be the best example of early Ethereum. You know, that's the way that I see it. Like, you got Just Bet right there, and you got all these other, they keep naming different dApps that are coming on there, and these dApps are like user friendly. They're not hard to do, especially like the ones that are similar to, you know, when it comes to Uniswap. But I think Uniswap should try to get on there. I mean, I guess that's just me, you know, trying to bring more hype to Matic or whatever like that. But they have QuickSwap, and they have their own, you know, dApps that can do what, you know, Uniswap can do. To be fair, you know, I'm just saying that for hype and stuff like that. But yeah, you can go there announcements, and if you look at my scrolling, you see all the names right here are changing. It's not the same names. It's not like you only got 10. It's 70 plus. So yeah, that's a lot going on right there. Let me just talk about Vitalik. So on November the 3rd, he said that he's trying out Polymarket HQ now. It's unique that it lives directly on Matic network, an Ethereum sidechain, and its UI is optimized for attracting users from outside crypto. It has a buy USDC with credit card interface, and it uses the Magic Link login service. So, you know, he's just, you know, he's looking at this and he's seeing, you know, what's going on, and I just want to see what people actually said about this to him. Like, what are the people saying? Okay, yeah, does not get hacked. Okay, assuming it doesn't get hacked. Okay, he's talking about my honest feedback. This is a challenging trade-off for convenience, and I don't yet know how I feel about it. For users who are new to crypto, their target demographic, the risk of Magic Link is probably lower than the risk they'll lose a seed. Okay, so he's giving, like, you know, honest feedback. But at large scale, AWS plus Gmail as central points of failure is essentially problematic. If I were them, I'd probably support login paths. Okay, so he's giving his thing. In any case, wish the project well. It's definitely worth checking out alongside of other cryptos, PMs. Okay. Do you know a list of layer 2 dApps ready for use? Okay, and DFY, wow. They tried to get up in there and tell them, like, hey, DFYN is live. DFYN is a Uniswap on Matic network aiming users to fast transactions, negotiable gas costs. Stay tuned for launch year forming, blah, blah, blah. Okay. It's a great video. Okay, so yeah, they are on it, and you can also switch from Matic to Ethereum to Matic on the actual, you know, website. I mean, on their platform, excuse me. So yeah, Vitalik, you know, talking about Matic. Well, talk about, you know, the poly market. And okay, so let's go to Prosper right here. So this right here, right now, it is on the Binance chain, and the Binance chain is, you know, can be, you know, you can get on there from MetaMask, and so that's why Matic, it's easier for Matic to do it, because it's already, you know, they're already it's faster for Matic to integrate with that, and for this to bring it over to Matic. So I don't know if I'm saying that right, but whatever the case, this is going over to Matic. And as you can see, basically what you do is, like, you kind of predict if the price is going to be high or low. So it's like you're bearish or bull, and this is on the BNB slash USD tether. So it's betting on the price, from you got the 1 hours to it looks like this is the time frames have been 1 hour. They also have the 4 hours, which they're not showing for some reason. Okay. Oh, okay, I can do it right here. All right, so they also have the 4 hours and stuff like that. So you can come on here and I guess if your prediction is within a certain time frame, you can win some win some money on that. So that's interesting. This is coming over to Matic in that network right here, and this is from the Binance Smart Chain. And this one right here is the horse betting one I was talking about, and I found this kind of interesting. And only problem I had with this was for some reason that I couldn't get into it with my Matic my MetaMask, because I wanted to actually try it out, but whatever the case, they have they got the events, what's coming up, and you got next to run, and basically I think one of them already. So this is the next one up, which is it's live right now. So let's go to that live. So I want to see it. Yeah, watch the 3D right here. Okay. So we get to actually watch the 3D version right here. If it hurries up and load up, we can actually see it. It's almost there. Like this blue line is the load line right here. That is, well, whoever that was, he beat them people hard. So that's not how I wanted to say it, but I don't know about the cussing and stuff like that. I can't do, so just in case I won't cuss. But he beat them pretty good. Yeah, so this is pretty interesting. You can actually go in and buy horses and all kind of stuff. Like you can come here and buy horses from over here. But like they can, I think if this gets popular, which actually they have a good following on Telegram and their Twitter and stuff like that. If we come over here, the Prospers, they're doing some other things, right? I saw this they have a pre-sale going on. It just started, and it's having a Prospers pre-sale guide and community airdrop. So the fundraising goal, they're raising $50,000. Their token price they're trying to look at is 8 cents. Tokens for sale is $600,025 pros. Minimum per account $100, which is about a 1,250. Maximum individual cap. Okay. So the time is it started yesterday, and it looked like it already ended. Okay. Yeah, the time December 21st, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. So it's only for 30 minutes. Is that when it's starting? I mean, I hope that's when it started, because you only give people 30 minutes. All right, tomorrow it will be open. We will open a lottery form, which needs to be filled out in order to qualify. Okay. You can access the form via website. A press button will go live exactly at. Okay, so these people are like involved with it. Tasers, Prominence Labs, got Matic. Okay, these are all involved with it. Okay, so it says you will have 30 minutes to fill out the form. After, it will be automatically closed. At 9 p.m., we will release the whitelist wallets, and it will be okay. Well, that's already done, so can't really help you out on that one. But they did that, so they're putting out the token right there. But they said that they're integrates with Matic, and so this is what they said. They said Matic Network is a layer 2 scaling solution, which means it's fully compatible with Ethereum Binance Smart Chain. That's pretty easy to integrate with. To start, we would like to set our approximate deadline of Prosper slash Matic launch in Q1 of 2021, as we need to do proper testing. Another great advantage for us is that Matic Network has already integrated Chainlink Oracle price feeds, which means that Prosper can be deployed without any significant changes in price determination process. Okay, so so it says after Prosper has been deployed on Matic, users will be able to participate in predictions, or create their own directly from Matic Network UI using Matic as utility token. From the start, okay, so yeah, so and going down, it says in addition to that, support or existing features of Prosper, we will deploy Prosper tokens on Matic Network and launch a bridge. Prosper.so will also support Matic price movement predictions on all available chains, including Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. So wow. So, and then you know why they want Matic? Because of scalability, fast, low cost, secure transactions. And they say high throughput. You got the user experience, the security. Yeah, because Matic has its own staking. Matic is public side chains. So it says Matic side chains are public in nature versus individual Dapps chains, permissionless and capable of supporting multiple protocols. So they say this is a Prospers is a cross-chain predictions, supports on-chain liquidity aggregation, binary liquidity model, bet insurance, user own predictions and options, and fiat integration. Okay. All right. And as you can see, Matic there are 70 plus dApps building on Matic, ranging from DeFi protocols to thrilling games and prediction markets. Yes, this is what's going on Matic. Deploy your existing Ethereum dApp in less than 15 minutes. So, wow. Less than 15 minutes. So, yeah, guys. So, let me know what you think about that and what you think about what Matic is doing. Now, I make some good number of videos on Matic. And so I'm not gonna say that everything is redundant, but I feel like Matic is a great opportunity. So what do you think? Think Matic's a great opportunity? How do you feel about those 70 plus dApps already on Matic? And the fact that it's easy to integrate with Matic, and when it takes 15 minutes for a dApp to get on Matic, and you think can Matic onboard new users? Because if Matic onboards new users, that's more bullish for Matic, And then second, Ethereum is going to need I guess we the people are going to need somebody to do this to help us, to help us get away from those Ethereum fees because they're about to explode. So Matic is right there next to Ethereum. So it should be able to do it. But let me know in the comments below, guys. You guys have a good day.